According to the National Electrical Code, exterior Siamese cable installations must adhere to specific guidelines. For underground installations, Siamese cable must be buried at least 18 inches deep. The cable must also be protected from physical damage, such as rocks or other sharp objects that could compromise its integrity. For above-ground installations, Siamese cable can be run provided that certain conditions are met. Firstly, the cable can be enclosed in a raceway. This includes options like conduit or cable tray systems that provide a protective barrier against physical damage and environmental factors. Secondly, the cable can be secured directly to the building structure. This is typically achieved by stapling the cable to the eaves or other suitable structural elements. Thirdly, regardless of the securing method, the cable must be adequately protected from physical damage and environmental exposure, ensuring its longevity and safety. When planning to run Siamese cable up the side of a home to the eaves and then staple it under the eaves to reach each camera, several conditions must be considered to ensure code compliance and safety. 1. The initial segment of the cable, specifically the first 10 to 20 feet after it exits the side of the house, must be protected from physical damage. This can be achieved through the use of conduit or cable tray systems. 2. The cable must be securely stapled to the eaves, particularly under the soffit, to prevent sagging and exposure to the elements, which could lead to premature wear and potential hazards. 3. Ensure the cable is not run over sharp edges or through holes that could damage the insulation. Damaged insulation can compromise the cable's performance and safety. National Electrical Code Section 830.31.c explicitly states that exposed conductors must be protected from physical damage. This requirement is universally applicable to all exposed electrical wiring, which includes Siamese cable. This is to minimize the risk of electrical hazards and maintain the integrity of the electrical system. It is highly recommended to use weather-resistant Siamese cable specifically designed for exterior installations. This type of cable is manufactured to withstand environmental factors such as ultraviolet radiation, moisture, and temperature fluctuations, ensuring reliable performance over time. When the cable passes through any walls or ceilings, it must be protected by conduit or other appropriate methods. This is to prevent physical damage and comply with electrical code requirements. The power supply for the camera should be connected to the Siamese cable using a waterproof splice connector. This will ensure a secure and weather-resistant connection, reducing the risk of electrical issues.